So I gotta clean this J10 out so I can start working on the interior and floors. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I bought this J10 pickup, and rats have been using this as a porta potty. And inside and out, this thing looks bad.
Oh, now we gotta face our neighbor. Like, what is this piece of crap in their yard?
With working a full-time job and all the rain we've been having lately and some other family stuff, we haven't really been able to work on as much as I like to, and I genuinely feel bad about making my neighbors look at this thing.
Dang. Well, they are for sure putting floors in this.
I still can't get over just how disgusting and cruddy this thing is on the inside.
See where that pack rat was bringing the vacuum line into here. Flintstone's car had nothing on this.
While the sheet metal's rusted out pretty bad, it looks like the supports are still in pretty good shape.
Maybe I shouldn't be allowed to buy vehicles anymore.
Well, that's all I got for now. But coming up in the future, I'll be putting floors in this thing, or at least working towards it. Thanks for watching.